तुम बड़ी गिवर हो रही हो।
So, is the avocado boy cool with this?
Nice name for him. Yeah, he's cool.
Happy for you. Your mom's such a bitch, man. देख, मुझे प्रशांत पसंद था।
हाँ, मुझे पता था। तू कितनी टिपिकल है यार।
वाह, and this is coming from you when you're into that pretty boy.
But you know, I'm a changed man now.
Cute.
New and improved Aryan. तेरी मॉम और प्रशांत के बीच में क्या हुआ?
She hooked up with him. I mean, I walked into the bedroom and it was all messy and sick. I cannot even talk to her. Like, I hate her. How could she do this to me?
Shit. ये तो शख्स का भी बाप है। I'm here for you.
Thank you. मुझे यहाँ से कहीं दूर चले जाना है, man. Really. Also, Nani's being so tough on me now. But I'd hate to disappoint her. You ready for round 2?
Hey, brother from another mother. मुझे लगा तेरी ईगो बहुत है तो इतने दिनों से मिले नहीं। तू हर टाइम पर बोलेगा नहीं तो इसे मैंने सोचा कि I'll be the bigger person and come by. कैसा है तू?
रिंजी कौन है?
Oh, the other mother is here. Hi, auntie.
हेलो बेटा।
मैं अखिल, Lindsay's friend.
Oh,
Nice to meet you, auntie. Good to see you. Hi, uncle. I'm
Hello.
Akhil. Hi.
Hello, buddy.
Thanks, bro. Lindsay, कितने दिनों से फोन कर रहा हूँ? फोन ही नहीं उठा रहा है?
His phone was ringing, but he said it wasn't important.
ओह, वो इतने दिनों से इसे मिला नहीं हूं ना, so he's angry. ऐसा ही अपना cribbing, rinsing, क्रिंजू. क्या सही coincidence है? Family dinner में मैं आप सबसे मिल लिया, है ना, क्रिंजू? He never told me about you people coming, right?
I should have told you first before calling my family.
Oh, come on, क्रिंजू, इतना सल्क मत कर.
your friend is very funny.
Drove some.
I think it'll be good.
That's pretty unusual.
Hi guys.
Vasu.
Sorry, मैं थोड़ी late हो गई.
Finally, you found time to grace us with your presence. So good to see you and Dhruv together again.
So, आज इतने दिनों बाद you finally said yes to coming. I was telling कार्तिक, ध्रुव तो फिर भी आ जाता है लेकिन वसु, उसने तो जैसे हमें भी छोड़ दिया है. Oh shit, I didn't mean it like that.
नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है. It's just that, you know, I got busy, नया job and all that.
What a switch for you, Vasu, from a corporate world to an art gallery. Wow.
Actually, guys, it's invites. गैलरी पे एक एग्जीबिशन है. You must come. और मैं इस एग्जीबिशन को मैनेज कर रही हूँ, so it'll be fun. आज एक आर्टिस्ट की खोज में पता नहीं कहाँ पहुँच गई मैं बेंगलोर के बाहर. Don't ask.
No Raza, no Padamsi, or not even Hussein.
Yeah, actually हम कंटेम्प्रेरी और नए आर्टिस्ट को फीचर कर रहे हैं.
You mean those affordable art?